I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Since your pretty ass told me she came in the door, I just wanna chill, got a sack for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced her to my stove. Showed her how to whip and now she leaving super low. She my track queen, let her hit the bando. We be coming up, watch out for them bands go.
What's good, YouTube? Today I'm gonna be vlogging for you guys, and right now we're at the beach. So I'll see you when I get to the beach. So guys, we are currently at the beach. As you guys can see, we are currently at the beach, guys. So we're gonna be playing soccer, football, and all those stuff. I wish it was a basketball court, but it's the beach. They don't have the soccer court. So right now, guys, we are on the beach. So let's go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.
17:38. I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Since your pretty ass told me she came in the door, I just wanna chill, got a sack for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced her to my stove. Showed her how to whip and now she leaving super low. She my track queen, let her